To start this design, we'll open up a new sketch on the front plane and draw a circle right at the origin. Now using the Smart Dimension tool, I'm going to set the diameter of the circle exactly to 55 millimeters. I'm using the dimensions as per the technical diagram. Now I'll grab the construction center line and drop it down from the end of the circle to establish the height of the part. Now again, by using the dimension tool, I'll set the center line's dimension to 80 mm. So once we are done with that, from the bottom point of the center line, I'll draw a small horizontal line and dimension it to 15 millimeters to define the base radius. So now once we have done with that, we'll connect the base to the circle with a solid line, so it automatically snaps into a tangent relation for a perfectly smooth transition, as you can see. So now with the base layout done, I'll trim the entities and clip away the unneeded portions of the circle to clean up the profile. So I'm done with that. And now to make a profile ready for manufacturing, we just need to close the sketch by drawing a solid line right down on our original center line. So once I'm done with that, so this sketch is closed. And now we'll head over to the Features tab and select Revolve Boss base. Now using the center line as our axis, it sweeps the profile into a solid 3D shape. So once I've done, I'll select the bottom base, and to add the bottom cavity, I'll flip the part over and start a sketch on the flat base and draw a concentric circle up of 12 millimeters. So once we are done with that, I'll hit extruded cut, set the depth to 10 millimeters and cut straight into the bottom. And there it is. Now I can spin the model around or turn on the section view to verify the internal geometry.